Alrighty, so in this video I'm going to be making this cute little peekaboo heart um, zippered pouch, and I'm giving you the measurements and the pieces you need here, so I'll just be quiet while you check that out. And here I'm just going to freehand this little heart by folding a piece of paper over and just kind of drawing the heart in the shape I want and cut it out, and then you can see it's kind of obvious here. I'm going to trace it onto this fabric. And now I'm going to go ahead and iron on the fusible fleece just onto the outside parts of the fabric of the bag. And I'm going to find the middle, just kind of eyeballing that too. I'm not real concerned with it. You could do it wonky, like to the side, tilted a little bit, however you wanted to do this, but I tried to get it fairly in the middle of the bag. So I'm going to stitch all around that where I drew the heart. I decided to trace the area that I want to cut out just to make it easier so it's not messy when I get done. And you'll see what I'm going to do here is I'm going to clip all around the edges. You don't want to clip the seam, you just want to clip to the seam. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to you about this part because it is extremely tricky. I saw a video a while back where a girl put a hole in this with the heart the way I'm doing it. They cut those videos, y'all. They do not show you how much of a struggle it is. And I thought, well, maybe if I'd used a bigger piece for this red polka dot piece, but you can't because you got to keep cutting things down and ironing. This is a process that is going to be tedious, and it's the reason you're probably not going to make a whole lot of these unless you got a better way. If you have a better way and I'm doing something wrong or missing a step, you can go to my Facebook page and we can discuss it, or you can discuss it here in my comments section, my discussion page on YouTube, because this was an extreme struggle to get this right. Nothing's ever going to be perfect. So if you're looking for perfection, you're going to stress yourself out for nothing. But anyway, so I'm going to move on to the next step, but I wanted to talk to you about this because this is a tedious process. So now you see I'm just going to sew this onto that opening, the heart opening that I made. You just want to be careful and take your time. Don't be in a big hurry to finish this. You can do 2 lines. It might make it a little prettier, a little daintier if you want to, but after struggling with all of that, I'm just going for 1 line. So now we want to trim a little bit of this down because we don't want any of that bulk to get caught in the final stages of the bag. I'm using, I guess they call it zipper tape here, and so I can create my own size zippers. And I wanted to do ends on these zippers because I feel like they just do so much better in these little pouches if you do ends on them. Those zippers can get bulky and all of that sewing, and it's no fun to have to sew through that. So this is pretty simple. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm just sewing the ends onto the zippers, onto the zipper. If you like watching sewing tutorials or maybe even cooking or crafting videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give me a like and share the video if you like what you see. I am trying to get my channel to at least 500 likes by the end of February. That's my goal. That or more. So we'll just see how that goes. Okay, now I'm going to do right sides facing together with the right sides of the lining, right sides of the fabric, and I'll sew all around, leaving an opening for turning. And you can see once I've sewn it, I cut the clip close to those corners so that it makes them nice and crisp when you do turn it. And now I'm just going to sew that opening closed that's in the lining there. And there you have it. There's your cute little peekaboo zipper pouch. Peace, y'all. Bye-bye.